Is this India First Life Micro Bachat Plan a smart step towards financial security or just another overhyped insurance product available in the market? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what this policy is about. So this is a non-linked participating limited pay micro life insurance plan. Some of the key features of the policy are you can choose a premium payment term of 5, 7 or 10 years to achieve your long-term financial goals, and you can enjoy continued life cover for 1 full year even if you miss a premium, provided you have paid premiums for at least 1 full year. And you can also enhance your savings potential with the possibility of annual bonuses if declared, and you can receive the sum assured at maturity along with any accrued bonuses at the end of the policy term, and you can secure your family with the optional accidental death benefit offering additional protection against unforeseen financial events, and you can also avail potential tax benefits on your premiums paid and the benefits received as per the prevailing tax laws. So these are some key features, and there are also benefits available like death benefit, maturity benefit and bonuses, which all differs based on what kind of plan option you have opted for. And also there are bonuses like simple reversionary bonus and terminal bonus, and these are non-guaranteed benefits. So if you want to know more about it in detail, you can definitely refer to the policy brochure. Now let's move on to understanding the advantages and disadvantages of investing in this policy. So the advantages are you can access a loan of up to 95% of the available surrender value, and you can opt for the waiver of premium rider to ensure your plan benefits continue in case of death of the policyholder or in case of accidental total permanent disability or specified critical illnesses. And also you can choose to receive the death benefit as a lump sum or in installments over a period of 5 years. So these are some benefits like advantages of investing in this policy. The disadvantages are the return on investment in this plan is low, and also the bonuses are not guaranteed. The sum assured may also be insufficient to meet a family's basic financial needs, and both the premium payment term and policy term are fixed. So these are some drawbacks that we need to be mindful about before deciding to invest in this policy. So now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let's move on to the analysis part of the video. So here for the analysis part, we are going to conduct a IRR analysis of this policy, which is the internal rate of return. So this calculation will help us assess the cash flow pattern and the return percentage of the investment. So in this calculation, the potential returns are estimated based on the figures from the policy brochure. So for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 40-year-old male opts for this plan with a sum assured of 2.49 lakhs and a policy term of 15 years and a premium payment term of 5 years, paying an annual premium of 24,963 rupees. So upon paying premiums regularly, the maturity benefit depends on declared bonuses. So here how we are going to calculate the returns is based on two assumed future rate of return like 4% per annum and 8% per annum to indicate worst and best case scenario. These are not guaranteed returns and in no way the indicator of the only potential maximum or minimum limit to the returns this policy can earn. This is just to give you an idea about how this policy can perform in a worst case and best case scenario, just as an example purpose. So at 4% bonus rate, the maturity value is 1.5 lakhs, yielding an IRR of 1.42% as per the policy's maturity calculator. At an 8% bonus rate, maturity value is 2.10 lakhs. So it results in an IRR of 4.10% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So these returns are lower than those offered by a savings bank account rate of interest or even a bank fixed deposit. So despite a 15-year policy term, the plan fails to grow savings into a meaningful corpus. So as a result, it may not help in meeting the rising cost of financial goals. Moreover, the sum assured is also too low to provide adequate financial security for a family. So overall, this policy falls short in both insurance and investment aspect, making it an inefficient choice for wealth creation and protection. So now this policy combines life insurance with investment, which makes it not the most effective strategy. That's why we are going to explore an alternative approach by separating these two components. So using the same metric that we applied on India First policy, we will analyze a different scenario. So here one thing we need to understand is, according to IRDAI, it has introduced Saral Jeevan Bima Plan, which is a standardized pure term insurance policy available across all insurers. So this simple and uniform plan ensures financial security for a family in the event of the primary earner's untimely demise. So in the standardized pure term policy, the minimum sum assured starts at 5 lakhs with a maximum limit of 25 lakhs. So in comparison to the India First policy, it caps the sum assured at 10 lakhs and the basic sum assured is just 2 lakhs, which is even below the IRDAI guidelines. So to ensure a fair comparison, we will assume a minimum sum assured of 5 lakhs in this alternative strategy. So we have opted for a pure term policy for an insurance purpose with a 5 lakh sum assured, which costs us 7,600 rupees annually for a 15-year policy term with a 5-year premium payment period. So out of the 24,963,000 annual budget, the insurance premium is covered first and the remaining amount is allocated for investment. So selecting the right investment based on risk tolerance is essential. In this case, the surplus is invested in an equity-linked savings scheme, ELSS. So since ELSS investments are subjected to capital gains tax upon redemption, the pre-tax and post-tax maturity values are 3.83 lakhs and 3.62 lakhs respectively. So if you want to know how the tax calculation on ELSS is made, then you can see that we have presented a small tabular column on the screen for your reference, which you can see. This results in a post-tax IRR of 8.49%. This approach clearly demonstrates the benefits of separating insurance and investment, as it offers a significantly higher corpus compared to the India First policy while providing life coverage and superior returns. So what is the final verdict on this video? Is investing in the India First Life micro budget plan worth investing or not? This is a participating limited pay endowment plan designed to help you channel your savings while providing financial protection for your family. However, the maturity benefit along with any bonuses is unlikely to keep pace with the rising cost of long-term goals. So investing in this plan may hinder your financial growth primarily because it combines insurance with investment and it also has a high agent commission. So instead, securing your financial future with a pure term life insurance policy is a more effective approach. So when selecting a sum assured, consider your life goals and liabilities to ensure adequate coverage. So a pure term policy offers higher life coverage at a lower cost, allowing you to allocate more funds towards wealth creation and financial goal planning. Building an investment portfolio tailored to your risk appetite is essential for long-term financial security. A well-diversified portfolio will help manage market fluctuations and will enhance your wealth accumulation process in the long run. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.